Somebody's at the door. Somebody's at the door. Linda, go to the door. Linda, go to the door.
Well, look it! There's a bow on the car!
Oh, get out of town!
Seriously!
Oh my gosh!
Merry Christmas, honey.
Thank you! I'm in my pajamas!
Come on, go look at your Christmas present.
There's a bow on the car!
Oh, hey guys!
You guys were goofing on me the whole time.
Yep.
Oh, you won't pull the trigger. Huh?
Yeah, you caught me at the party. I think I did a good job trying to dodge that.
There's a stinking bow on the car!
And then you said, oh, he's not returning phone calls. I'm like, wait, you talked to him twice this week.
Stinking bow on the car!
Boy, it's nice and shiny, huh?
Gorgeous.
Bow!
I like that ball. That's sweet.
What's up, James?
Bow.
I'm digging it. And you just paid the $500 for the brakes on the old car.
Now you know why I didn't want to spend $600 on that old piece of junk last week.
Well, thank you very much. It's gorgeous.
Thank you guys.
And you look good in it.
Is this someone's phone now?
That's mine, yep.
It's gorgeous. Thank you.
Here, it's yours.
I know, huh? Thank you very much. Mwah. Wow. I'm digging it.
There's a bow on the car.
Well, we'll have to go for a ride after we get
Can
cleaned
I go
up.
in it?
Yeah, you can go in it.
Yay.
You're going to be going in it every day.
I'm digging it. Very nice.